Ayun. Hi guys! Welcome to A Day in My Life. Charis. Hi guys! Welcome to A Day in My Life as a photo assistant, photo shoot assistant. And kasama natin for today, si Arvin. Say hi to the vlog. And ang ating model for today. Si Yasmin. So, we're going to Makati for the photo shoot. And, anong nafe-feel mo, girl? Gutom. Ikaw?
Gutom.
Diba?
Lagyan natin parang
Ganun talaga pag isang aspiring vlogger. Yes. Actually guys, nakasakay kasi kami ngayon sa Rolls Royce. At binili namin siya kasi gusto namin yung payong dun sa Rolls. Yung uli ng payong. Yes, diba? Yeah. And ngayon, magsa-stop over lang kami sa McDo para kumain kasi gutom na raw sila. Ano guys? Okay po, dalawa pong alaking with fries and drinks. Parang ang mahal ng Parang mahal. McDo.
Meron. Guys, may hot chocolate na nakasama.
Bakit mahal? Kaya pala ang mahal ng McDo namin. Tingnan nyo. Wow! Sobrang laki.
Wait lang.
This is my iced mocha. Alam mo, alam mo yung English ng mocha? Face. Hello. Hello guys. Tapos, ayan, paiputin mo yung pila. Ang galing, ang cute.
Isa na lang, magkano pag isa? 250.
Hi.
Pari harap doon habang nagpe-play. Hindi siya pwede.
Ano, pag-hakap mo, 3 clicks dun sa joystick.
3 clicks lang.
Paano yun? Pindutin mo, te.
Sorry.
Ay, yun.
Kayo guys.
Hi guys. So we're almost there. Kaso naliligaw kami. Baka in-scam ka na, kuya. Hindi kinakaba. O hindi, pero kinakaba. Yung ano, may ano eh. May ano na eh. May conviction na na.
Pang gaslight.
Ito sa tapat eh.
Sir, are you excited?
Hindi, nahilo ko eh.
Finally, we're here. We're here. Excited ka na magbuhat?
Ha?
Oh my gosh. Bye. See you sa studio. Grabe.
Medyo nakakapagod siya.
Nakakaloka. Tingnan nyo naman. Si Kuya. At yung mga gamit. Yung mga gamit. Meron pa sa baba. Inakyat namin. May isang floor pa. Are you ready?
No.
Motivational line. Tandaan mo, gumising ka ng maaga. Ako. Sige, alalayan ko dito. Sige, wag na. Ikaw na. We're here. Shallow Studio. Are you excited, Kuya?
Yeah.
Yes. We were here at the studio, guys.
Ang make-up na yung bunga nga.
And she's excited. Are you excited?
No, actually.
Excited ako kasi ang ganda ng studio, guys. Dito kami sa Shadow Studio and may nagpo-photoshoot lang doon sa likod. And siya yung model natin. So pretty! Excited na ako, babe. Abangan nyo kami later. Na para bang nasa music video. Anong masasabi mo, Kuya?
Tara.
Okay.
Tara, guys.
Excited siya, sabi niya. Ang ganda, babe. Wala. Yes, we're gonna go to the comfort room kasi doon kami mambabash na. Gosh, grabe, pinagpapawisan ako. Kakatapos na namin magkabit ng contacts. Pakita mo. Hi. Sobrang ganda! Sangre amihan.
ako!
Sangre amihan. Mukhang ano, te. Ano ba yung taga-ibang bansa?
Oo, parang mo ano.
Ano? We're going back to the studio. Nagkabit na kami ng contact lens. And we're back. We're back, guys. We're going back. We're going in. Yay!
Umiiyak pa rin ako.
We're back at the studio. Naglagay kami ng contact lens.
Nakakaiyak siya.
Tingnan mo ko. Tingnan mo. Wow! Mukha siyang ano. Mukha siyang German. Shepherd.
Kanina Australian.
Nag-English.
Sino pa?
I'm from...
Hindi ko na rin kilala sarili ko. Sino ako? Parang nag-iba yung mukha ko nung nag-contact lens ako.
Syempre. And we're getting ready. So, get ready with us. Get ready with us. And my model for today. Are you excited?
Yes.
Let's go. Let's get this rolling. GC Life pa rin yun.
Easy life naman yun, pero ano, hindi mo malalaman kung lobat na. Ito rin pa.
Yung grades po namin.
Kailan mo ba ilo sa kapila?
Hindi na. Charis.
Sige, kuya. Ay.
Oh guys.
By the way, guys, we're using the eyebrow from Eva Belana.
Yeah. Hanap ka talaga.
So we're using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade
10.
10. Eyeshadow na kami, guys. We're using the Bare and Bliss
Mahulog
Dream
ulit,
Chaser. Kaya nga sinarado ko na kasi nahulog siya. Ko kasi na yun. Nakilala ba? Sorry ah. Nonchalant kasi ako saan.
May question mark dyan. Edit nyo to. May question mark ka. Madami.
Nonchalant. Lah,
Bakit?
magbo-beautiful eyes ka sa akin.
Ikaw na kung gusto yung matapos.
Sprayan mo siya neto. Ano ba to?
Ito pinang-spray ko eh, kasi yan yung pang-setting spray ko sa mukha.
Ano?
Ano?
We're using the Maybelline Super Stay Lumi Matte Foundation for her base. And it's on the shade
110.
basta yun. Just a little bit. We're just gonna use this from Mumuso. Blush from DC Formulations.
Isa lang.
And finally, after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years, we're done with the makeup and I'm so proud. Ang ganda niya, promise. Tingnan nyo. Can you? Wait. Wag na nga, dito na lang. Guys, tignan nyo. Gawa namin yan. Kami gumawa niyan.
Binuo niya kami dyan.
And by the way, I'm gonna show you our setup.
Kita ba siya dyan?
Oh my gosh, look at that. And our photographer. We're gonna use the Dazzle.
Okay na to.
Anyway, we're almost there sa shoot. So, stay tuned everybody. Bagong model, y'all.
Okay, visa tayo.
Finally! Look at her! She's pretty. Show them your look, your final look. Layo ka nga. Ganda, parang happy birthday. Debut. Going back. Let's show the girl.
I love a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? baby, when I lay my eyes on you from afar, I could swear I thought you fell from the stars. Think about you day and night, girl, even when you're not around. I don't want it if it's not with you. Hey, I'm just keeping it straight, cause you got me feeling distracted. Let me show you the way, girl, I don't take it for granted. Why can't we just give it a go? Infatuated more than you know. I want you near with the same point of view. I'm always ready, so call me over. We're meant
And
to be like the sun and the
guys,
moon.
we're on our second
I
look.
just want you to know.
Look at the girl.
I'll have a strawberry side on the side next to you.
This is
No
gonna be
wasting time.
our
Can you
second
tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me why. Honest, tell me why. I'll have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time. Can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me what's on your mind. I'ma say every day, you got me hypnotized. Take the shot on the dot, all we got is tonight. So can you call? Cause nobody knows how far we go. I want you near with the same point of view. I'm always ready, so call me over. We're meant to be like the sun and the moon. I just want you to know. I have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time. Can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh. Be honest, tell me what's on your mind.
It's a wrap.
I should know.
Yes. And that's it. We're done.
Tapos na.
We're done.
Ito na ako.
Ako, nauuhaw.
Ikaw.
Nagugutom.
Ako, kinakabahan.
We're gonna see you on our next vlog.
On the side next to
Bye.
you. No wasting time. Can you tell me the truth?